I want to get furniture stuff, but y'all, look what I got instead. I hate it. I want my hair to get longer, my teeth to get straighter, my ass to get fatter. Pause the music. It's motherfucking time for me to motherfucking talk. Okay guys, welcome back to another weekly vlog with me, your girl, the Imani Collins and the Bailey Collins. So, a lot has happened, a lot has changed. I recently did a sit down video. Yay, I'm so excited for that. I love that for me, I love that for us, I love that for this channel. Anyways, I just got back from furniture shopping. Let me show you guys what I got. A couch, bar stools, what else? I don't know if I showed y'all my room, but yeah, my room is pretty much done. And did I show you my revamped bathroom? So this is just what I've been doing. I've been trying to continue. Oh, one more thing that I did. So my balcony, it still got my chairs. Y'all can't see, I don't feel like going out there. But yeah, we get into it, we getting stuff done. I'm about to try to see what this couch is giving because I got some pillows and I got some stuff. So let's see what this is giving. Am I getting thick? Okay, all right, so I got this green pillow from my last apartment, but I'm thinking I just want to put pillows on one side because I saw my sister do that and I really liked it. And I have this, oh, I don't like this with this. I don't like that, I don't think I like it. And then I have this green. Oh my god, I hate it. Hold on. Did I actually do? Or, I know what I can do, hold on. Let me figure out what I might can do. I don't know if this might be cute, but I hate it! Man, like, I freaking hate it! Oh my god. Y'all, it's ugly to me. Hold on. Okay, let's just try, right? Let's just try it out and see. Because I can be good at it. Let's just see. I fucking hate it, guys. But what if I do this? Hold on, watch this. Is that cute? Because I took that off my bed. I freaking hate it. I 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 really do hate it. Okay. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. Don't panic. Don't panic. I'm already panicking. Okay, what if I do, let's try do that there and then this here. Or let's see how this will look. We can switch these pillows up because I got these on my bed. So let's see how it looks if we, because I can always get more pillows for my room. You know, I don't care about that. Let's see how it looks if we just do like something like this. Something like that. All right. So far I have those. It's ugly as fuck. Okay. And then something like that. It's ugly. Don't panic, don't panic. Don't panic, Bailey, don't panic, Bailey. I'm not panicking, you're panicking. Okay. 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 Just piss me the fuck off because I'm so annoyed that they're ugly. Let's try this. No, this freaking knot is ugly. Okay, let's test it out on the tree. Move this tree over here. See how it looks. But of course the tree needs to be higher, and then, so it's not horrible. You feel what I'm saying? It's not like horrible. It's okay. All right, let's just get into it. I'm gonna be right back, y'all, because honestly your girl is hungry. I want my food.
May have had its ups and downs, but you did not stay down. You knew what you had to do to get up, so you got up. And if you're able to live, if you're able to push, if you're able to grow, you're gonna grow into a better you. Let this be the opportunity of a lifetime. Don't forget, easy was not intended for you or I. For without struggle, how can you build true character? So maybe you were in a position that you felt like you were broken. But being broken doesn't mean that you can't put it all together again. You must be the architect of your life. Create your own blueprint. Set yourself up, and regardless if you fail or if you succeed, but don't give up. Because if you made it this far, you can definitely go a little bit further.
Just making sure you guys, just wiping your tears. Just kidding. Hey guys, so it's the next day. Yeah, I'm about to give Bailey some treats because I gotta talk to y'all about Bailey. Hold on. You want a treat, girl? You want a treat, girl? Y'all like my shirt? Don't let heartbreak destroy you. And this is facts. This is facts. This is facts. My channel is hearing this first. I'm giving away Bailey. What the heck is this? Bailey has been like amazing to me. And I want to say this in a less emotional way because I actually recorded a video the night that I decided I was going to give her away, and I legit, like, I bawled my eyes out. I was crying so bad in the video. I was bawling my eyes out last night because I realized, can y'all see me? I realized that Bailey deserves more. And I know I'm probably being so hard on myself, and I know that I'm probably overthinking the situation, but this is what I feel. And I didn't tell anybody because I don't want anyone to affect my decision. So whenever I go out of town, Bailey stays with this amazing couple that lives in my building, and they love her so much and she loves them so much. And so I basically asked them if they're interested in keeping her. They want to talk today, so they should be honestly coming soon. And I don't know if Bailey's gonna leave today or not, but I love her so much. And Bailey, come here. I love this puppy. I love this puppy so much. And she's the best puppy ever. She's my first puppy. And I love her so much, but I just want her to have, I want Bailey to just I want her to have all the love that she deserves, and I want her to just be like, I just want her to just yeah, I can't explain it, but yeah, I don't want to go into detail too much, so let's just move on. So I don't want to talk about it no more. I don't want to talk about it no more. So that just kind of put me in a bad mood. Anyways, I'm getting so dark. But it's been nice to work in my little office space slightly. So yeah, I got some errands to run. I got some things to do after work in a little bit. And yeah. So guys, this is me. I have on a sports bra, leggings, and a shirt. And I'm looking for crate barrel. What is it called? Crate and barrel. So I parked like 2 minutes away and I want to walk the rest of the way. So let's just go. First of all, my camera did some weird stuff. I was at this pretty little area. Wait, y'all saw? And my camera did some weird stuff and I literally could not get any of the footage that I recorded. So, long story short, I went to Crate and Barrel, and I went to get furniture stuff. But y'all, look what I got instead. Instead of me getting my furniture stuff like I was supposed to, look what the fuck I got. A freaking Gucci bag. So we're gonna do a Gucci bag unboxing. So it's so cute. It literally has a little bow. Oh shoot, duh, that's how you open it. It's everything. It looks like food. I'm so excited for this. Like, I've been wearing this bag for a while now. So here's the bag. And they had different options. They had a black slab and they had the tan one. Personally, I wanted the tan one because you can pretty much wear tan with anything, I feel like. So yeah. Ah! Oh my god. Who am I? That bitch. Who are you? That bitch. It's so cute. Hold on, let me show you. Another thing that I love about this bag is that it's not just a cute bag that I can't fit anything in. It's actually a bag that I can fit a lot of things in. So let's try it. For example, let's put this camera in here. I could put this camera. I could put my phone. I could put this water bottle. Like, no. So hold on. This is a little fat camera, but the point is I can put some stuff in here. Now with my Louis bag, you can't fit nothing in here. Personally, I don't feel like designer does not make damn sure me. Because I remember when, like, I will always see people wear designer and just post it, and most of the time it didn't even look good. I never wanted a designer to showcase, oh, I got this, I got that. But now, because I'm stepping into like grown woman season, always and forever, luxury things make me just feel so amazing. And I feel like it's just a way for me to express my gratitude for myself, because I work very hard. So yeah, don't ever feel like if you don't have designer then you're not worthy, or if you do have designer, don't think that you all that. Grand rising, everybody. I'm gonna be talking like a little more weirder than normal because I just put my retainers in. Well, I had to switch my retainer thing, and they hurt. So I'm just working right now, and I have a meeting at 10 a.m. It's 9:13. After that, more work to do, and then I want to schedule an appointment for my nails. So I want to get my nails done today, but it is Friday, so I need to hurry up and call when they open up. If I have time, y'all, I don't feel like going back out there, do apartment shop, decor shop. But if I have some time, or if I feel like it, because it's Friday, I really wish I had a TV. Maybe I'll go do that. Maybe I'll buy a TV today because I want a TV. It's rainy outside. I would love to just sit on my couch and watch movies and eat food. That sounds so amazing. And I know what y'all thinking. Y'all probably like, well, girl, aren't you always in your apartment? Yes, but not technically. I'm not always in my apartment just watching TV. Gotta schedule my lash appointment, schedule my nail appointment. I did my skincare today. My teeth are getting straighter. This stuff over here, I'm getting rid of, but I got this plant. And I'm really just trying to test things out. So I'm watching this video, this YouTube video right now. I'm about to get ready for my meeting. And yeah. I'm in South Beach right now. And I'm about to pick up my TV. I ordered a TV. One thing about Miami, yo, is so difficult to get your shit and go. Best Buy is somewhere in this building, but I don't know where. And I'm pretty sure if I go right, that's gonna take me to the airport. I mean, I said the airport, to the highway. Oh my god, look at these routes. I'm going to Baltimore next week to get my hair done. I didn't realize people actually live in South Beach. Like, people actually live, like, this is an actual community. Okay, so I'm at Best Buy curbside, and I just made some room. Hopefully my TV will fit back there. But this is the South Beach Best Buy, and it's a whole lot over there. It kind of died down, but yeah. I'm just sleepy. Okay, that works. Thank you.
Have a nice day, okay?
You too. See, he tried to doubt me at first. And I was like, oh no, don't doubt me, because yes, it will fit. But this thing that I'm taking back gotta go somewhere. So guys, we're taking this back. So stopping at TJ Maxx, but there's also a lot of other stores over here too. So let's see, but this is so cute. Look at this. Let me show y'all. It's so cute. I wish it would have fit, but it didn't. Let me tell y'all the smartest thing that I did, right? So I'm in TJ Maxx. Trying to return the little thing that I brought, but look where it's from. It's from Marshall's. I'm so annoyed at myself. Like, why would I do that? So that was a fail. It's raining. Okay, one thing I learned is Miami is not for black girls. The way it just be randomly raining, it's not for me. Don't get me wrong, I love the rain, but I don't love when it just rains randomly. Happy Halloween. I keep seeing this. I think it's, oh my god, this is it. I'm getting this. I'm getting it. I just need to figure out what I want it to sit on, but I'm getting this. Okay, let me get a card. Good standing up, but not on that. I don't know if I want to get it. So I'm just doing some work before my nail appointment. I have a nail appointment at 4:15 right now. I'm just doing some work and I'm on the phone with PayPal because it did not hit my account and we need to fix that. I'm talking to PayPal right now and seeing what's going on, and then after that I need to do some more promotions and ads.
Thank you, Imani. And how are you doing today, ma'am?
Good, how are you?
Oh, I'm doing well, ma'am. Thank you for asking.
You're welcome.
By the way, how can I assist you today, Imani?
That was a long drawn on conversation for no reason, and it was like she didn't hear me when whatever. Okay guys, so guess what, tonight I'm going out. I know I haven't like been out. You guys haven't seen that side of me like out and about in Miami, but I'm going out tonight, and guess what, I'm vlogging. And guess what, I'm going out with some people from Baltimore. They're in town, so that's what we're doing. But I'm still working, and I'm still working right now. So I'm at my nail appointment. I just like to Uber to my nail. Oh my god, it was a dragonfly. I just like to Uber to my nail appointment because it's no parking, as you can see. So this place did a really good job with my nails the first and second time. So let's see what I get done today. Guys, what color should I get? I don't know, because honestly, let me show y'all the inspo that I have. I did lines already, so guys, the design I'm gonna get, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all which design I'm gonna get. I'm going to get, so let's see if they can make it look just like this, cause it's fall time. Is it fall? Yeah, it's fall time, Halloween time. It's cute and simple. Should I get this? I don't know if I should get this.
Using the right lane, keep right on Johnson Road.
Is it a restaurant or a club?
Yeah, no, it's a restaurant.
Okay. Oh, you have reservation?
Yes.
Okay, your friends is waiting for you?
Drop
Yes.
off Imani.
Alright. Have you seen it?
I haven't seen it. I think it's on the left hand side.
Yeah.
Or is it on the right? It's on the right hand side.
It's a little bit farther.
Yeah, it's right here.
Oh, it's
That's-
right
yeah,
there. I
that's-
see it. Oh, let's stop right there so I can put you closer.
Thank you.
Okay, young lady, have a nice dinner, lunch, or supper.
It's okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Bye. What? What are you talking about? Remember that? Let me show you. Let me see if I got that video. Let me show you a throwback video of an old video. It was like inauguration or something. I don't know. Did you have a blank card? I don't know. Okay. Let me show y'all how far me and Kayla go back. If I can find it. It's not from my phone. What do you, oh my god, it literally says cousin. It's my sister's birthday. It's not gonna look. Oh. Wait, yeah, you was like, hi, Snap.
Cafeteria with cupcakes and drinks.
Everything else is coming right now. I mean, but I'm assuming
Ladies, Baltimore meets Miami.
Yeah. This is crazy. Like, it's not like my eyes are closed. You sleepy? Yes.
Oh my god, she's sleepy. So guys, the food was okay, but it wasn't all that. I'm not killing my the lash coming up, makeup a mess. I said my lash coming up, makeup is a mess. This part don't go out. Like I am though, I probably am. Yes. Period. Okay, so this is Miami life for you. I'm here for the palm trees. I'm just going, listen. I'm going to the hotel. I'm here for it. People ask, yes, I'm a celebrity. Yes, I'm a celebrity. That's what I'll say. So it's the next day. Let me show y'all what I brought.
Make sure that you're all good, but you never want to carry a hookah by the shaft. You always want to make sure that you're holding it from your nose to the side. Alright, so as we climb up this ladder slowly, the last piece of it, you're all good to go before applying any heat on top. Boom! Alright, we've reached the top of the hookah, and that is the bowl.
Okay guys, so I did it. Oh my god, okay. Tell me why I think the hookah just freaking broke. And I gotta go get my nail fixed because I just got my nails done yesterday. And my nail, it's not focusing, but the polish chipped. And how is my polish gonna chip when I just got my nails done yesterday? So I'm about to go run and get my nails done really fast. And yeah, there we go. Anyways, I gotta hurry up and go. Bye. So guys, this is the end of my vlog. I don't really know what else to vlog pretty much. I thought I was going out tonight, but I'm not. I'm just not in the mood, and I don't want to bring my negative energy around. It's not negative energy, it's just emotional energy. I've been crying on and off all day, and I just don't want to bring that energy to anyone, especially people that are in town and have a great time. So yeah, I'm just going to literally plan my week on my calendar. I'm just gonna lock in, and that's all I can do. I'm gonna keep on going to therapy. I'm gonna keep on journaling. I'm gonna keep on working on my mental health, even if I have low days. I'm just gonna keep on doing it. I miss Bailey. She went with my neighbors, and yeah, I want my hair to get longer, my teeth to get straighter, my ass to get fatter. No, but seriously, my bank account to just continue to grow. Yeah, there's just a lot that I've been thinking about and just figuring out. But you know, the thing about it is that I'm right here right now in this moment, and there's nothing else that matters.